Welcome back. Last time I left off where looking at how negative character classes were not catching all the tags that I wanted to, and today I'll look at how the negative lookahead can do that, and then also I think I should have time to see how a little bit of extension of that can delete material with those tags. So you can see I was working a little bit, but I deleted what I had done, but I will show that example 4 has just where we left off. So it has a tag with overlapping speech showing, a couple of those actually. And we're going to do this with a negative lookahead. So the way that would look is with gsub, and we want to start looking for the opening bracket, and then the parenthesis, the opening parenthesis, and the question mark exclamation mark are the negative lookahead. So this is not going to consume anything, but it will look ahead. For character class C or W or C, and a space, and then 3 of anything. And this will be our letters. And because, as we saw when the automatic tagger couldn't decide what it was, optionally it could have a dash and 3 more letters. So we're going to say dash and 3 more of anything, and the question mark says it could be 0 or 1 of those, so optionally it may not be there. Then we'll say there is a closed bracket, and then that closes our look ahead. Now, because we actually want to consume something, we'll say if it's not that sequence, then it could be period, so anything, 1 or more of those, but non-greedy, and then followed by a closed bracket. So the smallest amount that it can do, matching that to a closed bracket. And then we'll close that parenthesis. We want to take it out, so we'll put nothing in our parentheses, and we'll do this with example 4. I want to make it match Pearl. Let's try this. So it let us keep this, but it removed these overlapping speech tags, which is what we wanted. So just to show us what would happen if we, for some reason, wanted to remove the overlapping speech. Sorry, that's an overlapping speech, the undecided, that it could be both. We could take that out just to see how that is functioning. So this is saying anytime there's 3 non-greedy, and then there is closed by a bracket, and we can see that it removes the tag, but it still leaves the text. So the next thing that we'll look at is, well, what if we wanted to remove the material that was in the text, not just the tag? So I'm going to work with another example. I'll call this 5. And let's say we had overlapping speech. And maybe this was a so, just to make it different. I'm going to start off with copying this one, and we'll say example 5. So if we run example 5, did I run 5? Yeah, that long so is still in there. Then if we run this one, it leaves that now and so. So if we wanted to get rid of that, then we would have to extend what we're looking for to include everything that comes after this closed bracket up until the next open bracket, which is right there. So to do that, we'll do a character class that is not open bracket and say any number of them. Now let's run that, and we can see that that so is gone now. So let's end with that.